Hey, YouTube world out there. Alright, we just got the famous truck case. This is the truck case number right here. We're going to open up today. Just got my case in. Shop trucks. So we're going to open up with a big old knife. Big old knife. Alright, let's chop it up. Let's open it up. This is how we open up the Hot Wheels here. Chop up right there. Alright. It's very sharp now. Alright, set that back there. Big old knife right there. Open it up. There you go. Check out this shit right here, buddy. Ooh, what we got here? We got a truck case. This is the first truck case here we got in today. Look at that. How pretty is that? Alright. First but not least, picking out the package. We got your... what we got here? We got the Subaru. We got the Subaru Brat. Okay, looks pretty. Subaru Brat. And the truck set here. Subaru Brat. Okay. You get two in the box. You get two in the box. Next we got here. Ooh, least but not least, you got your damn original Chevy, custom Chevy pickup. Got the custom Chevy pickup right here. Shop trucks. There it is right there. Surfboard in the back. Nice and chrome. Champion sign. Real Riders. 1 to 5. Got this here. Okay, let's go to the next. Next one here. Next one here is the Borla. It's going to be the 83 Chevy Silverado. 83 Chevy Silverado with Real Riders. 5-spoke. Legit. 3 of 5. Shop trucks. Alright. Beauty, ain't she? Red. Alright. Alright. Next here up is going to be, least but not least, we only get one in a case. Oh my God. One in a case. What's really going on today here? Shop trucks. One in a case. This is one in a case. Volkswagen Caddy. One in a case. That is not good. One in a case. With a skateboard. Real Rider wheels. 2 of 5. Shop trucks. One in a case. That's not cool. You get 3 of these in the case. Might have got ripped off, but we don't know yet. 6 Ford Econoline pickup. Real Riders. Or spokes. Sorry about the damn camera. And it's red with a skateboard in the back. 5 of 5. Shop trucks. And that's the case here, buddy. Didn't think it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be two of each. It's like I probably got ripped off. Could have got ripped off. Maybe somebody exchanged one, took one. But this is how the case goes. Y'all let me know. Alright. We'll see you guys soon on the next video. Hope you guys had a little championship fun here. Alright. See y'all gents in YouTube world.